Hello everyone, this is Josh from Octopos, and today we'll be talking about coupon creation and what are its uses. So coupons are used in multiple ways. There are coupons which are used for drop downs where you can have a preset of discount percentage which you want to give, or it can be used for specific products. Let's say you want to give $2 off a frozen pizza because it's on sale or something. You can do that as well. Or the third kind, which is our end goal for this video, is to have a coupon which can be used for a reward program. All of these coupons are really good way to engage with your customers and build a good loyalty base. So we'll start with making a coupon by clicking on marketing, followed by coupons. Once there, click on create right here. So first we'll go through a product discount. So let's say we are giving XYZ dollar discount on a specific product. Let's say $2 off on pizza. Let's create product, targeted or generic. So what generic does is it gives you a starting and ending date. So if you want to have that specific discount or sale only for a week, generic is the better option to go with, or targeted just stays there for ever. Discount type, amount, or you can have percentage, but for this application we need amount. Discount value $2, location grocery mart, and enter the maximum number of coupons used. So let's say you only want them to be used for 5 times, like 5 products in general. Create 5, click next, add product to a coupon, and this is where the coupon which we have made for that specific product comes in action. So let me search pizza, California pizza, crispy forces, sounds good. Select and submit. Yeah, this way it should have a coupon associated right here, $25 off on pizza, uh, $2 for that specific product. Now let's make one for a permanent use, a drop down use, which you mentioned that is a discount which you're always going to give. So let's say you have $10 off for restaurant businesses, or $15 15% off on senior citizens. So let's say restaurant discount. We'll put order because we want it for the entire order and not a specific product. This is where it makes a difference. Do you want to add this coupon into order discount drop down? Say yes. And that means in your cashier side POS, when you go to like add order to the discount, it should give you a predefined option of having this up there. We want it to be percentage and we give 10%. So let's say 10, enter minimum amount, doesn't have to be, or you can have, let's say, $50. So that's a condition that has to be met, that, oh, the order has to be more than $50 to get 10% off. Then only it makes sense to make margins and stuff. Depends on retail businesses to retail businesses. Click next, review the thing, and click on submit, and it should be there. Now for the final one, which is the one we want here, is creating a coupon for a redeem program. Let's say I want to create a rewards program which gives $20 off to customers on getting 300 points. So I'll name it to $20 off on 300 points. I want it to be order. I don't want it to be on a drop down because I'm not going to use it for it. I'll go with targeted because I want it to be there forever. I want it to be amount because we are giving $20 off. You can give like 10% off on XYZ points and put it percentage, up to you. But usually for this case, I'll be using amount. $20 minimum amount has to be equal to the dollar amount you're giving. So 20, next, reviewed, click submit, and your coupon should be created. That is it for this one. We'll continue using this coupon on making rewards and loyalty program. So thank you so much for hanging out. And if you have any questions, any doubts, or something goes wrong, contact us, do let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.